Turn left onto Northwest East Side Drive.
Beautiful lake. Ay naku sa hindi. No, there's camera. It's just dark, huh?
Oh, against the light.
Yeah.
Maybe here. Oh yeah, because the sun is red.
Just so yun na video niya. Sa dere may Tia Ezekiel. Sila dara oh. Shiza. Cheese pa. Yeah. Dari ami sa balay ni Ana. Zazaya. Zazu. Ko, si amahan oh.
Here.
What's that?
Want to see that? It's
It's just a, I don't know, a concrete raman.
concrete. You okay?
Matthias think it's a kuan.
Can I listen
Rock.
to your breathe?
Yeah, that's true. And they have towel.
Yes, yeah.
And I have a towel right now.
I know, it's getting cloudy.
We were here a bit earlier. Yeah.
Yeah.
W text.
Checking ang manager.
No. Thrift store. They have like a uniform section that you can get 5 free things every month. And they put like anything milk. So like I got a gas mask for free. I got like a bunch of sleeping gear for free and like.
Is it like overstock or just?
No, it's people like donating it whenever they leave island, and like it.
We got Sharon here. Sharon Kunin. Hi, thank you guys.
No, and we'll fertilize.
Oh,
Did you see it?
yeah.
It was in the middle of the
John?
road.
Yeah, I didn't see rain right away. Pretty nice, huh? Here, it's woody. Kauli ang mga laagad. Halos 8 feet.
Turn right.
Gabi na kami nakauli sa mga laag. So, mode ni ang kuan. Pinatag ni Sis Ana. Thank you, Sis Ana. Ug sa iyang husband. Oo. Gikan daw ni sa iyang father-in-law. Ang healthy kang kamatis na ibunga. Ready na. Thank you, Sis Ana, sa pag-share sa imuhang tomato plants. Wala na ako na videohan gabi. Gabi na kami nakauli. Gikan sa ila, laag-laag. Healthy kayo na kamatis. Ibutang sa nina ko sa front. Ayan. Thank you, sis. Natin kamatis. Natin pang lamas.